Hello everyone, welcome to my project. The name of the project is Project SafeNode, and let me explain you about this project. What you can see right now is the homepage of my application. So now let's understand the scenario. So in a bustling metropolis like Mumbai, emergency child placements are often handled manually, right? Leading to dangerous delays when every second counts. So SafeNode is a tactical op center powered by advanced multi-agent system, the swarm that completely automates emergency triage, facility routing, and even legal compliance and personal dispatch. Now let me explain you the uh, dashboard, right? So right now I can show you the dashboard, and here you can see this dashboard is built on high performance, uh, tech stack using fast API and Next.js. But the real breakthrough, the real intelligence is coming from multi-agent system, which is powered by Azure. Okay, Azure LLM running on Azure as well as Azure Foundry IQ. So we do have our knowledge stored on Azure Search, which is actually providing the grounding content in real time so that my agent can quickly fetch real time information and then make decisions. So Foundry IQ, as said, is a backbone of our system, allowing us to easily provision, manage, and attach native tools directly to our agent. Okay. And here as I said, it's a multi-agentic system. So here we have four agents running. I mean, not four agents, but three agents and one orchestrator. So our supervisor node. Okay. So when I'm going to show you demonstration here, you can see the the invocation, which agent is running and what it is doing. So we have supervisor node, logistic node, compliance node. I mean, these are agents, and the personal node agent. Okay. Supervisor node agent is the orchestrator. Logistic node agent is the navigator that calculates the geographic proximity, which you can see here over the in the map. Okay, and it also take a look at the live bed capacity across Mumbai, and then it makes decision. So suppose if there is a child found somewhere here, in Thane, okay, and we want to send this child to a location, okay, maybe nearby hospital. So in this map, this logistic agent will actually look at which is the location where beds are available, so that we can relocate the child get the hospital and other help very quickly. Then we have compliance node agent. This is where the real intelligence comes from. So whenever we are, let's say onboarding a child, picking up the child, right? We also have to think of all the legal compliances, right? So here, my Foundry IT comes handy. All the legal compliance and all documents are stored on your search, as an index, and my agent fetches that information and then it makes decision accordingly. Okay. And then we have a personnel node or agent that dispatches, these information to our assist workers who are there on ground so that they can quickly reach out to that location, okay, and pick up the child. So now I'm going to show you the live demo. Okay. So here you can see in this dashboard, there are two ways to give input. Let's say there is a child, on a street, small child, and somebody informed, asked that, okay, this is child. So what we can do, either we can add a manual description about the incident, or we can also describe it in language word, right? So here, like, we have to select, okay, how many children are there, what is the age, what kind of condition. Level 1 means standard monitoring is needed, level 2 is urgent, level 3 is critical overnight. Okay. So let me now add a input. So three siblings found near Sion Hospital. This is the hospital in Mumbai. Okay. Now, because it also has multilingual support, so I can just write in Hindi. एक के पास wheelchair है uh, or condition urgent है. Okay, now I can click on extract with AI. Now all the information will be extracted, and now you can see my AI has actually filled this. Okay. Now let me just zoom out a bit. Yeah. Now here you can see when I initialize my agent, it will quickly figure out, okay, what is the location, okay, what are nearby centers which are available where we can relocate this child in help. Okay. And now it says, okay, origin zone central 2. Okay. And here you can see all these agents are actually working behind the scene to check the legal and the compliance thing. And what we found out is right now, this is the center, okay, which is very near to the Sion Hospital. And we also, I mean, I have also implemented the weather information. So we also make decision, where to relocate the child or where to take the child based on the weather information. So here you can see out, the capacity is 18. Okay, and only 3 beds are occupied. So we have 15 beds empty. So obviously we can relocate all these 3 individuals here, right? And you can also see here that we have information about the caseworker who is going to take care of this particular task. And we can also communicate with this caseworker. Here we have live command feed. So this is how, this is what this particular app is all about. Thank you. And this app is also running and deployed on Azure. Okay. So yeah, this is live right now.